Alright, y'all, I've just finished my 15 minutes workout. I'm at work. This is my meal break, but I do not take any kinds of meal or lunch break, or rather, I spend my time doing a 15-minute workout to get myself energized for the rest of the day. Just 15 minutes. There's no need to kill yourself. Just do a focused 15-minute workout during the day, or rather at the middle of the day at work. All you need is a small space. For me, this is my changing room or our changing room, and I spent about 20 to 30 minutes in this room. And I use the rest of my time just cleaning up. Yes, I do have another attire. So as you can see, I'm all wet because of my focused 15 minutes workout. I use Nike Training Club, but of course you can use other apps, or maybe you use YouTube. There's tons of videos online as well. So I challenge all of you to not have a meal, not suffer from food coma, but instead do a little bit of workout. If you're not like me, maybe walk around for about the same duration, 15 minutes. Start your workout here on your Apple Watch or any fitness device you have to record your progress. So take this time in the middle of the day to energize yourself for the rest of the day. If you're wondering, do I take a meal after this? No, I do not. I'm practicing intermittent fasting. It's a lifestyle, So intermittent fasting is a lifestyle. I only have my meal in the morning. I fast for about 20 hours, so I give myself a 4 hours feeding window, but to be quite honest, it's more like 2 hours. So let me know if I have inspired you to change your routine, and I'll see you in the next one.